Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hey! Let go. Hey, we gotta go! Sorry, I didn't mean to hit your mirror.
Given to a recruit was nothing big, nothing. What is sign stealing? You know, what is it? Everybody does it. All right, it's a skill. It's a skill. It's like juggling. Yeah, we were.
Lock video. Are you serious?
Excuse them.
Gaslighting you to say that's not what you heard, I never said anything like that, and it eventually comes out in the end. You know, it's just trust breaking, trust breaking, time and again. This situation.
Serious?
Therapy session. It's called the Pandy, a lifelike plush toy designed and powered by AI. It makes you feel loved, supported, and helps during tough times. The Pandy uses powered motion sensors that gently react to your touch. So when you cuddle it, it actually cuddles.
Come on.
And integrity. The silence on the other end of the line was deafening. But the deposits, the guests, everything is arranged. Victoria stammered. Yes, it is unfortunate. Apology and invitation to the wedding by 5 p.m. today. The Sapphire Grand will no longer be available for
BMW Mountain View 85 North, El Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be shitting me.
00643.
What a moron.
Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Morons.
I did it all by myself. Truly was too amped.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.